Up and about this morning, having a fisherman congregation. There they all go. We're not going to hurt you. We're just going to go, wah! Whoa! Hang on, everybody. This is going to be good. Welcome to Voyage to the Bottom of the Keys, or Bust. I think this vessel has run aground. Looks like he's trying to use his dinghy to pull it off of there. He's got his sails up too. This other boat's kind of hanging back here, wondering what they can do. Bringing some line over from their sailboat. I'm going to give it to this bigger boat to try to pull it. Hopefully he'll have plenty of horsepower to pull him off of there. I'm going to hold here in reverse. See how this unfolds. Okay, they're making another pass here, handing them off some line. I'm thinking that sailboat will snatch it right off of there if they give it a nice tug. Thing's got to weigh about 10,000 pounds or so, right? Got a nice little diesel engine in it, maybe. Okay, they're backing off. Maybe they're going to try a frontal approach here. I don't know. They're going to wind up getting stuck themselves if they don't watch it. Captain's getting ready to do something. Captain of this towing boat's getting ready for a pull here, I think. Maybe they're going to try to push too with the dink. Here, the line's getting tight. Goes. No, they're not budging. Oh, that's sad. Just going to have to take a gradual pull on it and give it some juice. See if that'll work. Just gotta turn the bow up this way a little bit. It'll help dislodge it. That keel's stuck. Looks like it's moving. Yeah, there they go. He got him. Let's give him an ooga. Hooray! Alright, we're gonna get out of the way. Save that guy's trip, huh? It's Banana River. Those are the same two sailboats that were, one that was stuck and the other that was helping. They're gaining on us. Probably past us about a half hour. He's got his sail up again, trying to save gas. Guess he didn't learn anything from the first time he ran aground. Probably not a good idea to try to sail through here. But he's got a crew. Didn't help him though, did it? There's another sailboat headed the wrong way. Got his dog aboard. These guys are catching up. The dog's telling them, we're going the wrong way. Tell the master. People out fishing. If they're having any luck. Cool boat. Got a little cabin. You catching them? Here comes another sailboat headed the wrong way. I wonder what everybody's doing standing out there on their boat. Let's give them a thrill. You ready? Comes a nice fishing boat. Tossing big wake. Give my ooga. Okay, here we go. Fort Pierce. It's another boat up on the sandbar. Sails are shredded. Just shredded. Says poke bowls, chicken burgers, smashed burgers, and fish burgers. Oh, that sounds good. Man, I could do with some chow. There's a big catamaran. They're going the wrong way too. They're headed north. We're gonna have to give them an ooga. Give them a thrill. He likes it. Thumbs up. thrill. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, thrill. No, I'm trying to get 1, 2, 3, thrill. He's got his sail up again. He didn't learn the first time he ran aground. He's a Canadian. They probably don't have sandbars in Canada, eh? No, they just have nudie bars. He's picking up some speed there from that sail. Big catamaran. She's under sail. She's running with the wind and with the tide. Give her a ooga. Nice boat. St. Lucille Inlet. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Atlantic Ocean out there. There's 10-foot seas out there. I don't know if you can see the waves crashing or not, but I sure can. Okay, I made it to a nice anchorage here. I'm south of Port St. Lucille, whatever the heck that is. And a nice little anchorage here. The good ship Cindy Mae and I managed to go an incredible 50 miles today to find this wonderful anchorage. We're only 20 miles north of Peanut Island and Palm Inlet. Get ready for some really clear water and some really cool video. Don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching.